Welcome. In this exercise, you will learn a way of moving off on a hill in a manual vehicle. You have to start by depressing the brake pedal and holding it down. Then disengage the parking brake. Keep your feet on the brake and clutch pedals. Start the engine. You are just about to release the brake and catch the vehicle. The vehicle will want to roll backwards. Give a little gas. Release the clutch, and away you go. Well done. When you move off on a downhill slope, you can use the vehicle's momentum to select second gear straight away. Start by depressing the clutch and selecting second gear. Depress the brake pedal and release the parking brake. Start the engine. Check the traffic behind you. Indicate left to signal that you are about to move off. Release the brake so that the vehicle starts moving. Be prepared to release the clutch. Release the clutch and away you go. You have now finished driving. To end the exercise, perform the actions that appear in the checklist on the right. Well done. We have now looked at moving off on uphill and downhill slopes. You can practice more hill starts in the next exercise.